was just talking to a young lady from Miami. I mean, not from Miami, from France. And I told her if she ever been to, and it's like 3, 4 o'clock. Bon dia. Good morning. Buenos dias. Bonjour. Yo, come with me as I go for the first time, check out the Blocos on the beach. We here in Ipanema. I just got here. Basically, I'm staying mad far from the beach, downtown. I was here yesterday, but I had to move to downtown. So, let's go check out this Blocos and see what it has to offer. What's up, man? What's good? Good, good, good. Oh, shit. All right. There's a lot of Blocos in downtown. I wanted to check them out, but I had to come here first, you know what I mean? And on top of that, it just feels safer. But the one in downtown, they be on and popping. I was here last time. But let's go check this out, man.
É maravilhosa.
Você é maravilhosa.
Tô falando pra câmera, Emílio, calma.
Você. You guys speak English? Você é maravilhosa. I don't think I gave you guys 8 minutes of this Blocos. I thought it was gonna be more on and popping, you know what I'm saying? There was gonna be a lot more crowded. I mean, the Blocos I've seen on the beach, maybe I'm here too early or something like that, or that's not really the one that be popping like that. You know what I mean? But anyways, I don't think I got you guys at least 8 minutes of that. But for that particular reason, we're gonna try to give you some footage on the beach and what's popping. All right? It's mad early, like 10:30, about to be 11. I normally don't come to the beach at that time, at this time. But anyways, we gotta do what we gotta do, man. If not, it's probably gonna be the end of the video, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Let's walk through Ipanema since we're here. But you wouldn't catch me on the beach at this time of the day. I like to go to the beach and it's like 3, 4 o'clock. As hot as it is, man, I gotta stop through here. See the Blocos over there on the other side. That's where the Bloco is. But we're gonna walk the beach and see how it's looking like on a Sunday. And early Sunday too. Alright, this is what the water looking like here in Ipanema Beach. It wasn't part of my plan to come walk the beach, but the Bloco did not convince me to stay. So I was like, yo, let me come out here and walk the beach. Oh. Yeah. Try to avoid the water. It's real hot out here, man. Thank God I brought like icy water with me. And I don't think this is the right time to film the beach because it's not that many people. It's a lot of people, but as far as like the ambiance is not as good as it is in the afternoon. I was just talking to a young lady from Miami. I mean, not from Miami, from France. And I told her if she ever been to Miami. She was like, what? Whoop. And then she responded, she was like, oh, Miami. I started laughing, man. I didn't document the conversation. I didn't know how she was going to react to it. That's what it is. We out here heavy, Ipanema. When you walk in the beach and you haven't come across people playing beach soccer, that means it's not popping yet. That's what it means. It is not popping yet. I have yet to walk into somebody that's playing beach soccer. Now, mind you, it's only, what time is it? It's only 10:55. That's the time it is. should have checked out the wave. I was trying to film it. Look, look. That's the wave. If I knew the Blocos was gonna be like that, I wouldn't waste my time coming out here this early. You probably would have catch me out here like maybe 2, 3 o'clock. Not 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. Crazy. That's crazy.